Yo, what's good mga homies? It's your boy, Mad Mike, XL4L, at today, real street talk tayo ulit. Marami nagtatanong ano nga ba talagang pinagkaiba ng ETGC o A3 Gangster Crips at Neighborhood Crips. So ngayon, bibigyan ko kayo ng malinaw na picture kung ano bang history at vibes ng dalawang yan. A3 Gangster Crips nagsimula sa Los Angeles, isa sa pinaka-notorious at kilalang Crip set. Gangster style ang dala nila, mas agresibo, mas matapang rep, may malakas na history ng conflict lalo na nung 1980s kasi sila yung unang naging kalaban ng Neighborhood Crips. Kilala sila bilang old school, street soldiers, hardcore, sa loyalty at galawan. Neighborhood Crips like Rolling 60s, Rolling 40s, Rolling 90s, etc. Mas malawak sa network kasi mas maraming neighborhood set compared sa Gangster Crips. Mas organized sila, mas kilala sa big alliances. Ang Rolling 60s, for example, isa sa pinakamalaki at pinaka-influential Crip set sa buong LA at beyond. Ang identity nila nakafocus sa neighborhood, meaning yung community at black ang nire-represent nila. Big difference ng A3 Gangster Crips, ang identity nila mas kilala sa pagiging aggressive at notorious. Ang Neighborhood Crips mas malawak at organized ang network, mas focus sa community, identity, Rolling 40s, Rolling 60s. Historically, nagkaroon sila ng beef ng A3 Gangsta at Rolling 60s, isa sa pinakamatagal na gang war sa LA Crip history. Pero homies, tandaan nyo, hindi ko ito sinasabi para i-romanticize nyo yung gulo o war. Sinasabi ko lang para may knowledge kayo sa history at pagkakaiba ng sets. Kasi kung hindi mo alam ang roots at culture, hindi ka rin tunay na nakakaintindi ng galawan. Yun lang mga homies, sana malinaw sa inyo pinagkaiba ng A3 Gangster Crips at Neighborhood Crips. Knowledge is power at respect lagi sa culture. XL4L, one love, one nation. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe para sa mas marami real talk. Mad Mike signing off. XL4L baby.
XL4L, yeah, we move with pride. Let's ride. From LA blocks to them Angeles rides. Sing a label, it's a cool ride.